Welcome guys. In today's video, I will guide you on how to disable and enable USB ports on Windows computer. This process works for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, sometimes Windows 7, and the process is very simple. Within 1 minute guys, you are good to go. So watch this video to the end. Now right click on this start menu, click on device manager. So scroll down to the base of this page where you see universal serial bus controller. Click on it to open it. Now here this has 2 USB ports. Now to disable this USB, root up 3.0, you can double click on it. It opens like this. Then you can right click, then click on property. It comes out like this. Go to drivers. So under drivers, then you see this one that says disable device. So click on it, then click on yes. So this will disable the 3.0 driver on it. So you can see that this driver is attached to my mouse and the mouse is no more working. You can see. Now let me enable it again. Click on this button to enable it. So once this enabled, then the mouse starts working again. So that's all guys on how to enable and disable USB port on your laptop Windows computer. If you hear these tips and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon guys on my next video.